video, we'll be talking about cooperative societies. What is a cooperative society? It's a business organization set up with people with common interests who come together to form their business. They protect their interests and utilize their union to better the lots of members of their unit by engaging in various economically viable ventures. Types of cooperative societies: we have consumer cooperative societies, producers cooperative societies, creditors cooperative societies, credit and debt cooperative societies, multi-purpose cooperative societies, retail cooperative societies, likewise wholesale cooperative societies. And what are the features of cooperative societies? It has open membership to everybody in that particular aspect of business or that sphere of life or influence. Then it has equal participation. They practice democratic system of administration where each member is entitled to one vote and equal participation is encouraged. There is also perpetual succession, that is, leadership of cooperative society is controlled and changed seasonally or as the legal agreement binding them states. Not one person has the legal right to lead for so many years. And also another feature of cooperative societies is that it is limited to shares, that is unlimited liability. The members have unlimited liabilities, and then also members must purchase from the cooperative society. Since the aim of their coming together is to engage in various economically viable ventures, that is, they own ventures accrue to them alone, and therefore the members of each society must directly purchase goods and services from the cooperative society they belong to. Then what are the advantages of cooperative society? Number one, it helps members to purchase landed properties, and also they grant loan and loan facilities to their members to better the lives of the members. Then members can borrow and pay back in installments. Also, they provide education and social welfare for their members. They also settle disputes amongst their members. Then we'll go to what are the disadvantages of cooperative societies. There could be poor management, which could lead to poor development of a cooperative society. Also, insufficient capital can lead to non-smooth running of cooperative society. Another disadvantage of cooperative society is mismanagement of funds and corruption by members of the society. And lastly, inability to recover loans from debtors who received money from this cooperative society to pay back at a particular amount at a particular time. Then, when such members abscond with such loan, it leads to bad debts, which makes the business not to run smoothly as it ought to. Then let's talk about the sources of finance. Cooperative societies sell shares amongst their members. Also, they get loans from banks or from members of the society, the capable members. Also, individual contribution helps as a source of finance, serves as a source of finance to cooperative societies. And lastly, registration of new members. When a new member shows interest in joining the cooperative society, such has a particular amount of money which he or she must pay, which also serves as a source of finance for cooperative societies. Thank you. In our next video, we'll be discussing more about the forms of business units.